Hello and welcome to the IoT Vlogs YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of PDF readers, spotlighting a standout choice for Windows users seeking a stellar Adobe Reader alternative, the Foxit PDF Reader. In a digital space cluttered with PDF solutions, you might wonder, why lean towards Foxit? This gem shines with its lightweight design and nimble performance, ensuring smooth navigation through even the most document-heavy tasks. If you are new to Foxit PDF Reader, don't worry, I'll guide you through its swift installation process and showcase its intuitive interface crafted to elevate your PDF document reading experience. In my own opinion, Foxit PDF Reader transcends the ordinary, emerging as a must-have tool for anyone looking to streamline their document management workflow on Windows. Its blend of performance, versatility, and user-centric design positions it as a key player in navigating the PDF landscape. Let's embark on a journey to discover how Foxit PDF Reader can transform your document reading interaction, ensuring a smoother, faster, less resource-intensive, and more productive experience. Let's get started. So that was the script, but now let me explain what we're up to. So Foxit, they have like two kinds of PDF stuffs. One is the PDF reader, one is the PDF editor. We are interested in the PDF reader part, and if you just Google Foxit PDF reader, you should be able to land on this page. This is their official page. And also, if you we are not interested, you can look like there are some highlights, but just click on this orange button to download. We want the Windows version. Definitely they have Mac and Linux versions also. I'll choose the language as English and click on free download. Here we can see the progress of our download. This is like a really lightweight tool, and nowadays what Adobe has done, they have included most of the tools that ordinary people don't use in their regular installation. So it really, like, if you have like slower computer, that just takes lots of memory and lots of resources. So that's why for a long time I'm a user of Foxit PDF Reader. So you can see the download is already complete. So I'll click on this folder icon, and you can see on your downloads folder that this PDF Reader is downloaded. Let me refresh. Yeah. So the PDF Reader is downloaded. So I'll double click. I'll click here, yes. The installation should start, I believe. Since I'm recording the screen, the system is like having some load, like really good amount of load. The screen is recording. Okay, you can see this is the installation wizard. I'll click on next. This is the location they want to install. Okay, I'm fine with that one. I'll click here on next. They want to include some whatever. I'm fine. I'll click on next. Create a desktop icon. I'm fine. Quick launch as a default PDF reader. That's good. I'm not sending any information or like help improve user experience, and show PDF files in browsers. Nowadays, I believe Chrome has like, they have some built-in stuffs. So I'll click on next. Enable safe reading mode. Yeah, next. And they have some kind of trial. They want you to get the 14-day trial of Foxit PDF editor. Remember, the editor I was talking about, but we are not interested in the PDF editor. So I'll click here. Don't install a free 14-day trial of Foxit PDF editor. Okay, that's good. And I'll click on next. And if you agree, you'll just click on next. And now it's installing. As usual, the first thing I'll do is like set the Foxit PDF Reader as our default. I believe I checked that checkbox again, but still we will do that again. with our PDF document. Oh, it is setting up anyway, but it is what it is. I'll uncheck this box. I'll click on finish. And now I have downloaded like sample PDF file. This is the UAD plugins manual. This is used. You can see right now it will open on I believe Microsoft Edge is the official browser nowadays instead of Windows Explorer. But anyway, I'll just right click on my PDF document, click on open with, click on choose another app. I'll click on this checkbox. Always use this app to open .pdf files, but instead of Microsoft Edge, I'll choose the Foxit PDF Reader. And I'll click on not now. I'll close for now and let me see. Yes, it is showing the Foxit logo up here. And now next time when I open any PDF file, it will open in the Foxit Reader. So that's good. The next thing I will do is you can see it's going page by page. It's showing the single page view, but I prefer the scrolling, the continuous view. It's more like a Mac. You can see the contents are like from one page to another. I prefer this view. That's why I click here. Next thing I would like to talk about is this is the zoom feature, right? So the zoom feature, there's like two ways you can do. One is like here, you can click here, and other like simple PDF stuff, like let's say we are interested in, I don't know, like let's just Teletronics LA2A. Let's say we're interested in that one. If these are like simple, like any PDF browser should have this kind of features. You click on the index. If the PDF makers they did this kind of bookmarking system, you should land here. And yeah, I was talking about the zoom, right? So you can click here, the zooming is good, and or you can just manually you can full screen this, or what you can do is click here and fit page, or you can do is like just what is the default, like 100%. Okay, this is one way, or you can also zoom from here 66%. If you have a like larger monitor, that will be like really great. And also talking about larger monitors, in those cases it will be better if you choose this view. Although this view is not great right now, but if you have like larger monitors like 25-inch, 27-inch, or let's say 32-inch, then this view will be like more practical. You're using more screen real estate. And also to increase the screen real estate, what you can do is minimize some of the unused stuff. Like if you click here, most of the time you are not using this stuffs, right? Anyway, so let's just minimize this part. That's how you get a little bit more real estate, screen real estate. And for now, I'll just click on my default one, like this continuous version. And also for this laptop screen, I'm fine with 100%. Okay, and also if you click here, you can find some bookmarks. This is how they have created, the UAD people, how they have created these bookmarks. I believe we are here, right? So let's say you wanna see APA 500 series EQ or bus compressor, or let's say we want to see pure plate reverb. So I'll just click here, and boom, you are on that page, that particular page. Also, you can choose manually the page numbers. If you know the page number, you can go from there, or you can manually enter, I believe, let's say 100, and you are on the 100th page, right? Yeah. So this is the PDF reader. It's a very lightweight. The highlight for this video was a lightweight alternative for Adobe Reader, right? We are used to with Adobe PDF Reader, Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is officially known. But unfortunately, nowadays they have all kinds of stuffs on the left side, on the right side. It's just, I don't know, like most of the stuffs that I don't use, but they're just included. I don't know why. So for regular day-to-day use, this PDF reader should be fine, and especially if you have a like slower computer, or if you like to save some of your resources, then say maximizer, right? So I'll click here. See, it's a very lightweight, and if you use this, if you scroll using your laptop touchpad, and you can feel that it's acting more like a Mac default PDF reader. So it's really nice. I hope you learned something in this video and you will install this software. That's all for this video. Thanks for your time, attention, and patience. Thank you.